honored and grateful to be standing here right now. Myanmar is my first country to visit as your reigning Miss Grand International 2024. And I am so excited to start my reign and starting it in this beautiful country of yours.